Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to write two simple loops. One is a for loop, one is a while loop. The for loop will be a bit harder, but you guys will be able to make it through. So let's get right into it. This is going to be how we write a while loop. So first, all we're going to do is we're just going to type in while. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to type in our census. So we're going to add an opening, parenthesis, quote marks. We're just gonna do is clear ahead. We can just make this an imaginary command, and we're gonna add one opening brace and one curly brace and one closing curly brace, and we're just gonna return in. And now we can add any Java Okay, so let's just make a variable move forward, for instance. So that's how you write a while loop. It's pretty simple. Now we're going into the for loop. So before we begin, we can do this in the for loop or after the for loop. In the for loop, this is what it's gonna look like. So we're just gonna do it outside in the for loop. So we're gonna do space. I always have space. And we're gonna write var. So this is gonna be like a variable. And let's see. We're gonna name it count. You can name it whatever you guys want to. Just don't include like any math symbols, or so you don't include any of these symbols. Don't include those symbols or any math symbols or equal symbols and stuff in like the name of your variable, because it will give you syntax error and your code will not run. But what we're gonna do is we're going to make it count. So we're gonna set it to 0 right now. Make sure you add a semicolon. We're going to make a space. You don't have to write var again because we're just using that same variable. Count, we're going to do less than or equal to. We're going to put it 10, semicolon, space it again, count. I'm only putting those spaces in so it's not super messy. We're going to do count plus plus, closing parenthesis, add those two. And now we've ran our for loop, and we can put in any so we can do var so if you guys are wondering why I had to write that in again, is because this is a local variable. That variable, I know it's the same thing to us, but to the computer they're different. So now let me show you how you write a for loop just like without the variable inside. So we can just pre-make the variable. We're gonna name it I, and now we're gonna make a for loop again. This is gonna go much quicker. Semicolon. Okay guys, so that is how you write a while loop and then the two variations on a for loop. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you are new, like the video, comment if I should do anything else. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.